Starting to look like a $500 trailer again.
And we are home.
This big dent. Not too bad out here. Got my light. Scuff mark on my light. Didn't hurt the bumper. I'm surprised. Scratches. Even the cap for the electric. See the scratches down that thing too. Okay. See all the scratches there. I pulled the wire out, which is stuck back up underneath it because now it's too short. So I have to fix that, and that's for our solar. Alright, step one. Got all the grease off the side of the trailer. Been so tired of smelling it for the last week. Alright, you can see got a really nice hole and a couple there. Where the bolt was in it. That one's still there. That bolt was ripped out of there. Try to fix that. A nice little hole there. Trim was kind of bent, but I'm going to take it off and try to straighten it out. This is this little buckle here, so I think when I take the trim off, I'm hoping that's going to lay flat. And it's hot. It's a nice little dent.
Had to tape up the holes because we had quite a bit of rain yesterday.
Alright, we're taking the trim off the bottom here. And do one more, maybe one more of those screws. I should get it all relaxed so I can try to smooth this out a little bit. Okay, getting some of the frame. That's why I got it loose. These panels got them cleaned up and painted, so they look a little better. Now I got to work on this trim and trying to screw it all back together. Can't tell if it's any better or not. Guess once I get it all screwed back down, see if it looks any better. I'm thinking this axle, when she hit it so hard, it came up, and it hit so hard it bent the sheet metal, but it also bent the frame. This part hitting up underneath here. It's got a nice big dent out there. Anyway, pointed at it.
All right, he's been working on this all afternoon. He's gonna patch those holes with what?
A piece of aluminum that I got. And use a good caulking. Get some of that out tomorrow. Got the bolts heads cut off, shoved back in there. And the front one. Got to remove those 4 bolts. Take the eyes loose. And in with the new one.
Pops now has taken the spring off, which was compromised in the accident. We now have 2 matching fenders and springs that were damaged in the accident that Pops is going to repair.
Alrighty, it looks a little better. Got the patch cut. Need some caulking. Got most of the dent out of it. You can still see it. It's a boo-boo. Starting to look like a $500 trailer again. Okay, there's the new springs, shackles, new electric brakes. Got those installed. Still have to connect the wires, get them to work. But that side, it's just already. And it's hot. Alright, these are electric brake wires.
The electric brakes he has installed and wired up. Just put on this fender since all that had to be replaced. 2 days before our next camping adventure.
Not wait till the last minute.
There's a lot that had to be done on this trailer.
Yeah, let's do this. That'll be perfect.
Nice and shiny.
Alrighty, this is Thursday, 2 days before we leave to the Keys. Still got a booger of a dent there, but there's a new fender on it. Don't have a marker on it yet, but there's the wire. Alright, first drive, going around the neighborhood. And it's hot.